So, if you're having problems with League of Legends here and it's stuttering, or generally speaking here, it's having that FPS drop effect, well, there are a few things that you may want to do here. Now, first things first is you want to make sure that your quality that you're using on in-game is actually what your GPU can handle. Now, depending on your GPU, well, it may stutter if you have like high settings. So, you want to press escape here, you want to go to video, and first things first is you want to choose the hide eye candy here. So basically, disables ambient critters and effects. This actually takes a lot on your resources on your PC, so make sure to turn that off. Now graphics here, you can set this to medium, or if it's still not good on medium, go and set this to low. But what I like doing here is I actually change a few things. Like environment quality here, you can go ahead and change this to low. Shadow quality, set this to medium or low. Now, effects quality here, you can go ahead and set this to either medium or high. Now, character quality here, medium or high as well. And from then on, you want to go and set your FPS cap here to either to uncapped, or you can go and set this exactly to like 80 FPS or 60 FPS. So it's going to be more stable. So yeah, in this case, once you've done that, you can go and just click on save and see if that actually helps. And that would generally speaking here, that would help a lot in game. So yeah, so once you've done this, you could go ahead and restart League of Legends and see if that helps. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.